What's going on YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we're just going to be doing some driving around in the good old 350Z. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoyed it at the end. Also, stop right here, go ahead and pause, go ahead and do that right now. And also you can follow me on my Instagram at JDMNEDU, same as my YouTube name, for pictures, content, and upcoming things for the Z, and as well as the Mazda that is sitting out there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be using the GoPro to do all the POV driving style stuff. I was really supposed to be washing her up today, but we have rainy weather, so there's really no purpose to washing it. It actually got dirtier than it was before. As you can see, got a bunch of sooty stuff on the car. Let me get really close, really tight. All that crud all across the car, which really sucks. But yeah. Also, I'm debating if I should fix up the bumper, where we have this nice little missing chip area. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me put up my ISO so you guys can go by. See what I'm talking about? But I want to go ahead and see how I'm going to fix that. Let me know in the comment section below if there's a good way to fix bumpers or patch that. I'm thinking about reinforcing it with metal and then spraying over it so it's not as visible, instead of just buying a whole new different bumper for now. Save me some cash. Other than that, the car still looks pretty good. Alright guys, the car's pretty much warmed up, but I know you guys watched the last video and we're probably really disappointed in the audio. Thanks to this GoPro and its incapabilities of recording really anything farther away from itself or whoever is holding it, it's really hard to hear. But I do have a resolution for that. I ordered up some new things. I bought a mic adapter as well as a mic, and maybe we'll be able to use this mic that we have on my camera here, so you guys will be able to hear some quality sounds instead of the stuff you heard in the last video. I do apologize for that. Next video will be better with the GoPro when it comes to sound and audio checking. Yeah, that was probably the most embarrassing thing I've done in a minute. I just did a one-wheel peel, and I just changed this to an LSD from another 350. So I guess it really is time to go ahead and buy some upgraded diff stuff. But yeah, that sucked. I'm gonna get some gas though. Alright, go ahead and get gas. Look at the prices though, yo. Premium, let it on. Alright. Fill this guy up. I'm not even gonna fill this guy up. I really just lied to all of you. I apologize for that. Not filling this car up at all. Never will fill this car up. It costs too much. Doesn't make sense to. Alright, that's it, right? Put the little 15. Fill destination. I'm about to shut off the car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Small little video, didn't really do much. The rain really stopped and held us back. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and keep doing you.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and